Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to view contact import history in Mautic. Let's get started. To access your contact import history, first navigate to the Contacts section of Mautic using the main navigation. Then, you can click the inverted arrow in the top right-hand corner and select Import History. Here, you will find a list of all of the different files you've uploaded to Mautic, as well as different information such as their status, runtime, total rows, etc. For more detailed information about a particular file, simply click on its name. You'll see a bunch of different reports, including the row status, how many rows are processed per minute, as well as recent activity. If there were any failed rows, it will be indicated here. And that's it! Now you know how to view contact import history in Mautic. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.